morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 6th chapter triangles exercise 6.6, that is optional exercise. Second sum, in the given figure, so there is a figure given, D is a point on the hypotenuse AC of triangle ABC. So ABC is there, in that AC is the hypotenuse side and D is a point on the hypotenuse such that BD. So BD is perpendicular to AC, that is 90 degree, and DM is perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to AB. So these are the information given, that is ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B, D is a point on the hypotenuse AC and BD is perpendicular to AC, DM is perpendicular to BC, DN is perpendicular to AB. So these are all the information given and we are asked to prove two things. Okay, so before proving that, here in the question it is given ABC is a right angle triangle and DN is perpendicular to AB, DM is perpendicular to BC. So these two things perpendicular, if we take that part alone, we will get angles are 90 degree. That is, angle M is 90 degree and angle N is also 90 degree. So with the help of this we can say that if a quadrilateral, in a quadrilateral, if one angle is 90 degree, we can say that as a rectangle. So we will get DMBN as a rectangle. So first we will write that one. We have DM perpendicular to BC, DN perpendicular to AB. This is given in the question. Okay, so since angle M is equal to angle N is equal to 90 degree, since this is equal to 90 degree, the quadrilateral DMBN, quadrilateral DMBN with one angle 90 degree, forms a rectangle. That is DMBN is a rectangle. So with the help of this we can say that it is a rectangle. Since it is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So BM is equal to DN and also DM is equal to BN. So these two sides are equal since it is a rectangle. We will give the proof for the first question given. Okay, so for giving this result, DM squared is equal to DN into MC, we will take these two triangles, triangle DMC and triangle BMD. Okay, so for giving the result for this, we will take this angle MDC, this angle as 1 for our convenience, then MDB as 2 and DBM as angle 3. Okay, so now if we are taking these two triangles, one angle already from the question we can say that it is 90 degree. Okay, so for giving the other angle as equal, for giving the other angle as equal, for telling that it is equal, then we can say the similarity and come to the proportionality criterion. We will take BD perpendicular to AC. So that is given in the question. BD perpendicular to AC, that is given in the question. So since BDC is 90 degree, if we add angle 1 and angle 2, that will be equal to 90 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. 1 and 2 if we add it is 90 degree. Same way, angle M is given as 90 degree. So in this triangle, if we add 2 and 3, 2 plus 3, that is also equal to 90 degree. Also, angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. So now if we equate these two conditions, since 90 degree is equal, equating above two equations, we will get angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 3 plus angle 2. So from this we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. So now we will take triangle and say the similarity. Okay. So in triangle DMC and triangle BMD. Triangle BMD. So in these triangles, BMC angle DMC is equal to angle BMD. So both these are 90 degree. Already it is given. Now only we have proved that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So angle 1 is in the first triangle, that is DMC, and angle 3 is in the second triangle BMD. So that is equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Proved above. So from these two conditions, from these two equations, we can say that triangle DMC is similar to triangle BMD. So these two triangles are similar. So we have proved the similarity of these triangles. Since the triangles are similar, the sides are proportional. Okay, so whichever we need, according to that we will take the proportionality sides. So in the first triangle we will take DM. DM is the height of this triangle BMC, and in BMD, BM is the height. So DM by BM is equal to MC by DM. So MC is the base of the first triangle and DM is the base of the second triangle. So DM by BM is equal to MC by DM. So now when we cross multiply this, we will get DM into DM is equal to BM into MC. So DM into DM is DM squared is equal to, we need DN into MC. Already we have proved that since it is a rectangle, BM is equal to DN. So instead of this BM, we will substitute DN into MC. Okay, so BM is equal to DN. Already we have given the result for this. Okay, so we have proved the first one. DM squared is equal to DN into MC. Procedure we will follow for proving the second result. So we will take these two triangles. Okay, so before proving the triangles, we need one more set of angle equal. So for proving that, the same thing. So these two triangles we will take, we will mention it as 4 and 5, and this angle we will take it as 6. Okay, so one angle is given as 90 degree, 4 and 5, angle 4 plus angle 5, angle 4 plus angle 5 is 90 degree. Since BD is perpendicular to AC, angle 4 plus angle 5, when we add, that is equal to 90 degree. The same thing 5 plus 6. Since one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, when we add the other two triangles, that is angle 5 plus angle 6, when we add, that is also equal to 90 degree. So when we equate these two, we will get angle 4 is equal to angle 6. So we will get angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Okay, so now in triangle DNB and triangle DNA. So in these two triangles, angle N is 90 degree perpendicular. So angle DNB is equal to angle DNA. So this is 90 degree. Now already we have proved angle 4 is equal to angle 4 in the first triangle. So angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 and 6 are equal, proved above. So by AA similarity, triangle DNB is similar to triangle DNA. So this is by AA similarity. By AA, here also we have to write AA similarity. So by AA similarity, both the triangles are similar. Now since the similarity we have proved, we will say the sides are proportional. Okay, so for telling the sides of proportional, so the same procedure we will follow. That is DN, that is the perpendicular for that one. DN by DN. So DN for this one, that is the height, and then The height for the other one is AN, DN by AN. This DN is the height for the first triangle and AN is the height for the second triangle. So DN by AN is equal to base for the first triangle is BN. Base for the first triangle is BN. Base for the second triangle is DN. Okay, so like this we are comparing the sides since the sides are proportional. So when we multiply this, DN into DN is equal to AN into BN. So DN into DN is DN square, that is equal to AN into BN we need. So BN is equal to DM. So AN in DM we will write. So AN into DM. So DN squared is equal to AN into DM. So here BN is equal to DM. So this one we have proved. So this is the proof for the second one. So this is how it has to be proved. So using similarity and the proportionality of the similarity of triangles, we have given the proof for the given sum. Okay. Thank you.